Hi, today we are going to discuss about Java string buffer class. Now, what is a string in Java? The string is a sequence of characters that which includes the special characters also. For example, hello with exclamation sign is a string of 6 characters. In Java, string is a immutable object, which means it is constant and cannot be changed once it has been created. So it's a constant. Once you create the string in Java, you cannot change it. Hence, we use StringBuffer class to create mutable or modifiable string. The StringBuffer class in Java is same as string class, except it is mutable. For example, that means it can be changed. So now, what is a mutable string? A string that can be modified or changed is known as mutable string. So few important points about string buffer. That when we now a string buffer is like a string but can be modified. It contains some particular sequence of characters, but the length and content of the sequence can be changed through certain method calls. They are safe for use by multiple threads. Every string buffer has a capacity. Now, important constructors of string buffer class. String buffer, if we use this, creates an empty string buffer with the initial capacity of 16. And string buffer string str, if we put the argument string as an argument, creates a string buffer with the specified string. And string buffer int capacity, where we can mention the capacity of the string, creates an empty string buffer with a specified capacity as length. So you can say that we have here we create a string buffer, empty string, but with a specified length, you can say. Now, important methods of string buffer class. Now, string buffer contains a lot of methods which you can use during the program when we use string buffer class. The first is append. Append string s means s string is passed as an argument, is used to append the specified string with this string. The append method is overloaded like append character, append boolean, append int, append float, append double, etc. Now, here an example, I have shown you how to use string buffer in a append method in a program. So string buffer has been new string buffer hello. So here we have created a string with hello as an argument. So as we do append Java, so here we are appending another string. Now system.out.print sb, so print hello Java. So hello is already there with a space, and after that we have append Java, so the output will come as hello Java. Next is insert method. Insert int offset string s is used to insert specified string with this string at the specified position. So at a specified position we can insert another string. The insert method is overloaded like insert int character, insert int boolean, insert int, insert int float, insert int double, etc. And the example you can see here, we have created a string hello, the same statement I have used over here. So sb.insert 1 comma Java. Now original string is changed to h. Now this is the 0th index, so one index is e. So starting from index 1, Java has been inserted, and after that ELLO is printing. So like this we can insert a specified string at a specified position. Now replace, this method is very important. In start index, in end index, string str. Now it is used to replace the string from specified start index to end index. Now here again we have created I'm using the same statement of creating a string buffer hello string sb dot replace 1 comma 3 Java. Now here's what was happening: 1 2 3, so ELL, so H J A V A L O, so 1 2 and 3. So this the starting index is 1, sorry, it's the 0, and then E at position 1, L at position 2, and the second L is at position 3. So it will include the first but it will exclude the last. This is important and information for you. When you specify, the first index will be included, the last will be excluded, so it will exclude E and L. So in that space the Java will be replaced, and LO, the last 3 and 4, index number 3 and 4 will be there as it is. So it will print H Java LO. Another method is delete. In start index, in end index is used to delete the string from specified start index and end index. Now here also we have created the same string hello using string buffer. So delete 1 and 3. Now here what is happening: HELLO 0 1 2 3. Now here also the 1 will be included and the last 3 will be excluded, so EL so will be deleted, so the output will come as HLO. Now next is reverse, is used to reverse the string. I think you remember writing a big program in just to reverse the string in class 10. Now when using string buffer class, we can easily reverse a particular string, that is SB. Now suppose this is the same statement I'm using on this hello I have created over here. Now SB dot reverse, now I'll simply reverse the string, and so the output will come as OLLEH. And another one is capacity. Capacity is used to return the current capacity. The capacity method of string buffer class returns the current capacity of the buffer. The default capacity of the buffer is 16. If the number of character increases from its current capacity, increases the capacity by old capacity into 2 plus 2. For example, if your current capacity is 16, it will be 16 into 2 plus 2, that is 34. So now here, how to use this? Now I have created an empty string. So system.out.println sb.capacity. So it will return the default 16, capacity 16. Now I have appended hello over here. Now system.sb.capacity, still it is 16 because hello can be easily accommodated with the default capacity. Now I have again appended Java is my favorite language. Now here we have more characters than 16. If you count 1 2 3 4, then you will also have to count the space. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 2 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 characters. So here what happens, if the number of character increases from its current capacity, it increases the capacity by old capacity into 2 plus 2. That's why here when we are taking the printout, now the capacity will be shown as 34, that is 16 into 2 plus 2, because it increases the default capacity. The two more methods are there. Public caret int index is used to return the character at a specified position, and length is used to return the length of the string, total number of characters. The caret is same as the other method which we found in string class, and length is also the same. Now length and capacity, what's the difference? Length is the length of the string and capacity is the length of the buffer of the string buffer object. When the string buffer object length is longer than the string, it holds the extra character contains \u0000, which is a non-printable character. Now there's one more method, this goes SetLength method. You can change the length of a string in a string buffer object with the SetLength method. You remember that string buffer is a mutable, creates a mutable string. The sequence is changed to a new character sequence whose length is specified by argument. If the new length argument is greater than or equal to the current length, sufficient null characters are appended so that the length becomes the new length argument. Now this statement shows how to declare string buffer SetLength method. Public void SetLength int new length. So here I have given an example. The following example shows the uses of Java lang string buffers SetLength method. Here public static void main string string buffer buff is equal new string buffer tutorial. So here I have created one string tutorial. Now buffer1 is equal to buff. This statement will print buffer1 is equal to tutorials, which I have given before. The system.out.println length equal to buff.length, so the length will come as 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now here buff.setLength 5, set the length of string buffer to 5. So here I have modified the length. Now system.out.println buffer2 is equal to buff, that is tutor, and length is coming as length. Print the new string buffer value after changing the length. So you can see how we can change the length of a string using SetLength method. String buffer set char at method. This is another important method in string buffer class. Says the character at the specified index to ch. This sequence is altered to represent a new character sequence that is identical to the old character sequence, except that it contains the character ch at position index. Now how to declare this? Public void set caret int index char ch. So here we will I have mentioned what is the index position and the character which you need to be replaced. Now here in this example you can see I have created one string buffer object, string Amit, mutable string Amit. Now here this statement will print the string. Now character at index 3 caret 3, so this caret will return what is there in the next 0 1 2 3, so it's going to return t. And here what now I'm replacing the character, setting another character, buff.set caret 3 comma l. So here I have mentioned the index and here I have mentioned the character. Now here when I'm after set buffer, this statement will print AMIL. So you can see that T is replaced with L, and buff character at index 3 buff.caret 3 is now L. I think the concept is clear now with the set caret method, and thank you.